All right, I've got the Bulu Store 10-piece kazoo set. So there's 10 total, 2 of each color, 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 green, 2 purple, and 2 blue. I'm just going to show you one just to give you a full vibe. These are made of a high quality plastic, so they're very durable and they're not easy to break. And they're also just a cool little musical instrument. They're very easy to use as well. Good for kids and adults as well. But you're going to put your mouth, so there's 2 ends. There's a skinny end, as you can see right there. That's the skinny end. This is the larger end. That's where you're going to put your mouth on the larger end. And you're not going to blow. You're just going to hum. And based on how you hum, that's going to control the instrument. So it's very easy to use. And I'm going to use it right now just to show you. And I'm not blowing at all. That's if you blow. So if you just blow, it's not going to do anything, but you hum. That's what I'm doing. So pretty sweet. Highly recommend.